Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys how can we change notification ringtone in our Samsung mobile. Friends, we want to change your notification ringtone in the Samsung phone, so then you can change. And friends, now let's see how to change notification ringtone in our Samsung mobile. In this video, I will show you. So before starting video, friends, first of all, go and subscribe the channel. Click the bell icon, like my video. So first of all, guys, we will on our phone setting to change notification ringtone and guys scroll. Then sound and vibration, click here. Then guys click on your notification sound means ringtone setting. So which ringtone guys you like guys you can change from here. So example होगा we will click on guys this jump laser ringtone and any jump ringtone. So you click on this laser and guys come back. And friends you can see your volume setting and tap here. Friends you can increase and decrease your notification volume from here guys. So like that guys, you can use guys your notification volume setting, you can adjust, and friends you can change your notification ringtone in your Samsung mobile. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye guys.